Hey, it's Rob with InyoPools.com. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dolphin Nautilus CC Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. This cleaner is good for pools up to 50 feet long, and it'll work on all pool surfaces. Gunite, PebbleTec, vinyl, fiberglass, it'll work on all of them. So let's go ahead and check out the features. All right, the Nautilus CC Pro comes with 60-foot floating cable and a swivel here so the cable doesn't get tangled up. It also comes with a power supply, which is basically serving like the transformer. You plug this into a 120-volt outlet, and then it's 29 volts coming out into the cleaner. All right, the cleaner itself weighs 17 pounds. It's got brushes on the front and back. It'll climb the floors, the walls, up to the, and it'll scrub the tile line. It's got a 2-hour cleaning cycle. In this particular model, you can also download the app and connect with Bluetooth to the power supply, and then you can control it manually from a phone. So if you've got some debris in the middle of the pool, you don't want to run it the whole cycle, you can use the app to do that. All right, and this has a top load filter here, and it comes with a leaf canister, and this will catch pretty small debris. If you've got a lot of like really fine sediment, there's another cartridge option which we can link to in the description. I'm going to go ahead and get this cleaner in the water. So I'm going to drop it in, and I'm going to run this cable back to our outlet. Okay, you want to make sure the power supply is at least 12 feet away from the pool. You're going to go ahead and connect the cable to the power supply. And then we'll plug it in. All right. And when you plug it in, you'll start to see the little Wi-Fi, Bluetooth light going on and off. Is trying to connect to a smartphone. Right now, we're just going to use it manually. So all you have to do is press the power button, and your cleaner will start moving around. Alright, so this cleaner ran around for its 2-hour cycle and turned itself off. The pool bottom looks very clean. It was climbing the walls, scrubbing the tile line. It got up on the sun shelf a couple times, the lower steps a few times. So, when you're pulling these robotic cleaners out, you can pull up to the surface by the cord, and then you want to lift it by the handle. You don't want to yank it out by the cord. So we'll pull it out, and then we'll take a look inside and see what it caught. All right, real easy to access the filter here. All right, you can see it's got some leaves in there, some little pebbles, but I can see some fine sand in here too. So even the standard leaf canister that it comes with catches some pretty fine stuff. So all in all, pretty good. All right, so overall, I'm very impressed with this Dolphin Nautilus CC Pro. My pool's only 14 by 28, but it cleaned it up real quick, did a great job. There's nothing on the floor. It's got a lot of cool features like being able to control it from a smartphone. I can't recommend the Dolphin brand enough. It's what I personally use. I've had one for 5 years now, and it's been very durable, so you can't go wrong with the Dolphin brand. If you have any questions about the Nautilus CC Pro, robotic cleaners in general, or anything pool spa related, visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.